Welcome to GuideMia channel. Let's take a look at this CBCT-based orthodontic treatment planning. What you're seeing here are CBCT slices and virtual roots. In the system, we support two kinds of virtual roots. One is anatomical roots, which from the CBCT data. Another is virtual. So we're doing a simulation of the movements. This is a typical case review process. We go in, check the root models, and run the simulation. And sometimes in CBCT scan, the AI couldn't get good root models. The situation is like, for example, front teeth, they touch each other for the entire crown and even extended to the root area. And there could be fillings and bad restorations or scatters on the roots. So in that kind of situation, we need to modify or fix those roots. In the demo here, we delete the current root models, as you see here, for the 2, 3 anterior teeth. With assuming that's a failure case of AI segmentation, we remove them. Now we are missing those anatomical roots. What we are doing now is to create a virtual roots based on the current CBCT scan. So we enter this apical center function. The system will show us the slices and a 3D window here of the root and all the other 3D models. So we are working on the tooth number 8 in this moment. So what we are doing is we go into the slices, scroll through the slices in the mouse wheel, and double click the apical point of tooth number 8. The system will know that's for tooth number 8. It's going to create a virtual roots based on that apical point and the current crown shape. And then we go to the next tooth, tooth number 9. We create these apical points. Then we create another point for tooth number 10. So while we create those apical center points, they actually come with a placement widget. We can move the points around. So after that is done, we click the apical center button again. We will generate the root models for the 3 teeth. That's a combination of CBCT data and a virtual root approach. We use the crown data and an imaginary apical center to create those points. We can just show and hide them, or we can just move those points.